Hello class, my name is Severia Edwards and this is my RISE portfolio peer review on Dylan Gailey. As I reviewed Dylan's portfolio, the one thing that grasped my attention immediately was how clean and precise the content was laid out. I also enjoyed the color choices, but most of all, I feel like the simplicity of this layout speaks for itself. It showcased his works and skills. This makes me want to think about changing my own portfolio and maybe going to a clean, white, crisp background and maybe adding a bit of vibrant colors that will give that bit of pizzazz for my portfolio. So as I began to view this site in the different tabs, I wanted to know if you wanted to have two sections for your work, about, and contact. So as I click here, I can access your work. And if I go back to your home page and then go to this button, I click on my work and it takes me to the same thing. So I was just wondering if you were wanting it to be where whoever is reviewing the portfolio, do you want them to have the option of viewing it here along this area right here and as well as right here? I honestly think, and my suggestion to you would to eliminate this right here with the my work, about me, and contact. I would probably add, maybe, you can go either way, of maybe adding a logo or favorite quote that you like, or even maybe turning this into your social media page outlets, your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat, or even an email. But I think this part causes the most confusion. So I would suggest keeping this right here, but maybe just changing this a bit around. Overall, I like it. I think it's unique. The only thing is I just think it's going to be confusing when other people are viewing it because you're not going to know which section to go and look at. Overall, I think you did a great job. As I close out, like I said, overall, I think you did a fantastic job on this. The one thing, besides what I did mention earlier, is just adding some more content. Again, I like the one photo that you chose, but maybe adding some photos in regards to the projects that you worked on. And that is something that I didn't do, but I also want to implement that into my portfolio as well, just so that the person that you are interviewing with, or the one that you're wanting to access this site, just so that they can see the things that you've done in action, and the experience that you have. Overall, I think this section is good. It basically tells about your professional info, your work experience, your education, the skills that you've used, and also the languages. And I really like that you were able to go in and add these little logos so that it doesn't make it boring. Again, overall, I think that you had a great site, and I know in whatever direction you'll go in, you will do great. Thank you.